station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
Whoa! Look at that massive skyscraper with a crane next to it. Right, D.Bo. I think it is helping build the building. I wonder, how does a crane help build a building? Great idea! We'll go talk to the crane! I'm gonna need a grabber arm and extendo legs.
Grabber arm, extendo legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Extendo legs up! Whoa!
Hi, are you here to help me?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.Bo. Sure, I'll help. What's your name?
It's Kareem the Crane. It's my first big job today. I'm kind of nervous.
I get it. Trying new things makes me nervous sometimes, too. We'll help you any way we can.
I spin my mast, my tall body around, and then I extend my jib down. The jib is my long arm. Now I can use my hook to pick up these really heavy bricks. Whoa! I can't stop it swinging!
Gotcha.
Thanks, Blippi. I'm still learning, but I'll figure this out. Now you can help me with the roof. It's that big glass square down there. Glass is very fragile.
You got this.
I'm doing it! I'm really doing it!
Now, take it up, Kareem.
Oh, goodness! Look out below!
Got it. Now, let's finish the job.
Yeah!
Isn't helping Kareem so fun?
Hey, we did it!
And now I know the answer to my question. How does a crane help build a building? Cranes lift heavy materials so they can be used to construct super tall buildings. Upload answer, D.Bo. Yes!
Thanks for everything, Blippi. Bye!
Bye, Kareem! I knew you'd be an amazing crane.